to the Attorney General formally by the Minister for Defense. Are you aware of it?
I have a copy of this paper here. I haven't given the thing to the Minister of Defense.
No, the question is whether you are aware that the Minister for Defense released those documents to the Attorney General.
I'm aware.
To a formal letter.
I'm aware. I'm aware.
Now, from what you have testified about so far,
If you describe it, no, is it? If you do it again, I'll let you go.
from what you have testified about so far in this honorable court, would you say that the third accused was honorably released from the Ghana Armed Forces?
My lady, the article that was quoted in the release instructions, it was not honorably released. It was released, but not honorably. Thank you very much. Can I explain something, lady? When you want, we have people who go out honorably and to be captured in the document. We have release instructions. Officer so and so is being released honorably. If it's not captured, it's just released.
Now, again, do you know whether the third accused was ever the officer commanding in the military unit in Sudan?